Strange story here. Police say a woman was arrested for driving under the influence after she called to report a drunk driver. So according to a probable cause statement, 32-year-old Brianna Dawn Hernandez was drunk herself, and she called 911 while she was in Woods Cross on August 16th. A police affidavit noted she was laughing uncontrollably and burping on the phone and described herself and her car. When officers spotted her, she ran on foot, they say, and struggled with officers. Hernandez was arrested for DUI and drinking alcohol in a vehicle.